Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on Shazam. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Shazam and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.